Hey, John Mayfield with Global Real Estate School. I have a flash sale I want to tell you about for my podcasting course. That's right. This weekend only, $297. Now, this is for the beginner course, but I am going to add a couple of webinars on to this specific offer just to help you with podcasting. We will be offering those sometime next week and the following week, where I'm going to walk you through some of the tools and ways that I'm monetizing and using my podcasting for my real estate school. Now, I want to tell you this. I'm in my sound booth now. I love podcasting, and I bought this sound booth. It's called a whisper room, okay? It was over $3,000. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying I wanted a good booth to be able to have great quality audio for my real estate school. However, I made over $5,000 with a company who's in the real estate related field that you could use too, doing podcast with some of their employees. That's right. Just getting people to know about their organization and their employees. And they paid me over $5,000. It paid for this whisper room. It paid for that high quality microphone right there. But you know what? You don't need any of that for podcasting. Podcasting can make you money as a real estate professional. And let me tell you what, it is the ground floor. You can do a podcast like I'm getting ready to do in your gym attire, your pajamas. You don't have to have a video on. And by the way, YouTube now has said that they are the number one platform people listen to podcast. So you can do a podcast, have it go to iTunes, YouTube, and all of these other platforms. And I'm going to show you how to do that in my course that you can buy this weekend only for $297. I'm telling you what, I have hundreds of thousands of listens and downloads for my podcast. It beats YouTube every day. In fact, my most watched video on YouTube is a podcast that I did for a student who was blind and wanted to get his real estate license. And I actually read the final exam to him to help him with passing the real estate test. It's my number one downloaded YouTube video. So podcasting is great. You don't have to have a podcasting voice. In my course, I'm going to show you ways to get guest ideas for podcasting, where to podcast, how to produce a podcast, microphones, equipment. It does not cost that much. And you can learn all of podcasting through my beginner course for only $297. But it is only this weekend. So I hope you'll act quickly and take advantage of this special offer. Thanks so much for watching the video. Happy podcasting, and I'll see you in an upcoming webinar that we will be offering for my podcasting students. Have a great day.